Greetings, viewers. In this episode of Byte-Sized PD, we're going to discuss the steps for setting rules within assignment groups in Canvas. Once you have added assignments to your assignment group, you can create rules for the entire group. Assignment group rules determine how Canvas handles any exceptions you want to create for grade calculations. Assignment groups can be weighted or unweighted for rules to apply. To create a rule for the group, you will click the kebab icon in the top right of the group and select Edit. Within each assignment group, you have the option to create one of three grading rules. Drop the lowest score for each student, drop the highest score for each student, and never drop a specific assignment. For both the lowest and highest score drops, you are able to designate the number of scores you wish to drop using the arrows within the cell. An example situation in which you drop a high score would be a grading rule in which you want the group average to be more representative of the majority of the students' work. So you'd create a rule that drops the lowest and highest scores, which are the outliers in this example, and keep the other scores. To set the never drop rule for an assignment, you will click the link to add an assignment. When the menu appears, use the arrows in the cell to select an assignment from the group list. After you are finished adding rules, click the Save button. Once rules have been set for the assignment group, the toolbar will show the number of rules assigned to the group. Hover over the link to view the rules. Please note that Canvas considers how the rules most negatively or positively affect the student's overall score and will adjust accordingly. If your course includes multiple grading periods, you cannot change assignment group rules once an assignment group has assignments in a closed grading period. Additionally, if an assignment group contains assignments that fall into multiple grading periods, grades may have unintended consequences when calculating group rules. Thank you for viewing this episode of Byte-Sized PD. Please click the link below and subscribe to the MCCB Division of E-Learning and Instructional Technology YouTube channel if you'd like to receive updates on future episodes.